Good morning, students. Now we will start with the next chapter, chapter number 6, that is application of derivative. In this chapter, we have different 5 exercises. Each and every exercise is independent of each another. Means कोई पण exercise में बीजा exercise related question नहीं आवे. Actually, you have 5 topics. बराबर. First exercise में rate of change find करवाना होसे. Second exercise में increasing decreasing function find करवाना होसे. Third exercise में tangent and normal equations find करवाना होसे. फोर्थ एक्सरसाइज में एप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू फाइंड करવાની આવશે અને ફિફ્થ એન્ડ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ એક્સરસાઇઝ માં મેક્સિમમ મિનિમમ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની આવશે સો ડિફરન્ટ 5 ટોપિક્સ for this chapter. So we start with the first chapter, that is first exercise, that is rate of change of quantities. In fifth chapter, in most of the question we have find dy by dx. So what is the meaning of dy by dx? Meaning of dy by dx is change in y with respect to change in x. तो તમને કોઈ પણ બે ક્વોન્ટિટી y and x હોય, r and t હોય, x and t હોય, તો એનો ડિફરન્શિએશન કરો એટલે બેયનો ચેન્જ મળે with respect to second quantity. Change in first quantity with respect to change in second quantity. Okay, so that is the meaning of dy by dx. Now let function is given in the form of y and x. Let y square is equals to x square. Y is equals to x square, and question is asked that find the rate of change of y. Find the rate of change of y. Rate of change of y means y no with respect to t, with respect to time. Rate of change means with respect to always time. With respect to time શું થાય તો કે dy by dt find કરવું પડે. So dy by dt, here we have differentiate with respect to t, so we have to differentiate x is also with respect to t. So differentiation of x square is 2x, and differentiation of x with respect to t is dx by dt. So that is rate of change of y. Rate of change of y. Okay, so that's the only theory in this exercise. Our questions are relatively easy. First question, we start with the first question. Find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius r when r is 3 cm and r is 4 cm. First question, we have to find rate of change with respect to r. With respect to r, બરાબર, means આપણે જે change find કરવાનો છે with respect to r find કરવાનો છે, area of circle. Rate of change of rate of change of area with respect to r. Means differentiation મારે જે કરવાનું છે કોણ કરવાનું છે with respect to r. શેનો એરિયા તમને કીધો છે? area of circle. So area of circle formula is a is equal to pi r square. A is equals to pi r square. Now here we have to differentiate with respect to r. So dA by dr is equals to pi as it is. Differentiation of r square is 2r, means that is equals to 2 pi r. Now first r is given 3 cm. So dA by dr at r is equals to 3 is equals to 2 pi into 3. So that is 6 pi. That is 6 pi. Unit of dA by dr is centimeter square of a and centimeter of r. So centimeter square by centimeter, or you can write centimeter also. Second, put the value r is equal to 4 centimeter. So answer will be 4 into 2 pi. So that is 8 pi. Okay. Second question, the volume of cube. 10th standard માં બધાના area અને volume ની ફોર્મ્યુલા આવતી, એ બધી ફોર્મ્યુલા આવડવી જોઈએ. Area and volume of cube, cone, cylinder, sphere and hemisphere. 10th standard ની ટેક્સ્ટ બુક માં આવ્યા છે, બરાબર. જેમ જેમ ક્વેશ્ચન માં આવતો જશે એમ તો હું તમને કહેતો જ જઈશ, બટ આટલી ફોર્મ્યુલાઝ આવડવી જોઈએ. ચલો સેકન્ડ ક્વેશ્ચન, the volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 cm cube per second. અહીંયા તમને એમ કીધું હતું કે rate of change of area with respect to radius, with respect to r. સેકન્ડ માં શું કીધું છે? ખાલી volume of cube is increasing at the rate of, volume of cube increasing at the rate of, with respect to કાઈ નથી. તો જ્યારે રેટ ખાલી આપ્યો હોય that is always with respect to time, that is always with respect to time. બરાબર, યુનિટ જો સુધી ખબર પડી જશે, યુનિટ ઇઝ સેન્ટીમીટર ક્યુબ પર સેકન્ડ, so that is with respect to time. So first here given is 4 cube dv by dt is 8 centimeter cube per second. dv by dt is 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of edge is 12 centimeter? Means we have to find dA by dt when length is equals to 12 centimeter. We have to find dA by dt when length is equals to 12 centimeter. અહીંયા હતું with respect to r, but here it is not with respect to r, or not respect to length of cube, means not respect to L. Here with respect to time. Only rate of hypoem is with respect to time. So first આપણને dv by dt આપ્યું છે. હવે એક્ચ્યુઅલી તમે જ્યારે ક્યુબ નો એરિયા શું થાય? સો કે એરિયા ઓફ ક્યુબ A is equals to 6L square. Area of cube is 6L square. Now you have to find dA by dt. Means you have to differentiate this equation with respect to t. You have to differentiate this equation with respect to t. So differentiating with respect to t on both the sides. So that is dA by dt with respect to time, dA by dt, 6 constant as it is. Differentiation of L square is 2L, but here we have not differentiated with respect to L, we have differentiated with respect to t. So differentiation of L square is 2L, and by chain rule you have to again differentiate L with respect to time, so that is dL by dt. So that is dL by dt. So here L is given, L is equals to 12, but dL by dt you don't know, means you have to find the value of dL by dt. So from where you will get the value of dL by dt? That is from the this equation, from the this value, that is dU by dt. So we can write cube, volume of cube V is equals to L cube. Cube no volume L cube thing, so V is equals to L cube. Differentiate with respect to time on both the sides, so what we get? Differentiate with respect to t, so dv by dt, L cube 3L square dL by dt. L cube no differentiation 3L square. By chain rule differentiation of L is dL by dt. Value of dv by dt is 8. 3L square અહીંયા આવશે denominator માં, so 3L square is equals to dL by dt. So 8 upon 3L square is equals to dL by dt. We substitute this value here, so that is 6 into 12L into dL by dt is equals to 8 upon 3L square. 8 upon 3L square. 3 4s are, so 8 into 4 32. LL square cancel, so 1L રહેશે. So dA by dt is equals to 32 by L. So dA by dt when L is equals to 12. So substitute the value of L, that is 12. So divide by 4, so 8 upon 3. So dA by dt is 8 upon 3. Unit, area no unit, centimeter square, time with respect to second. Sorry, with respect to time, and second unit check, units was second. So dA by dt is 8 upon 3 centimeter square per second. Question number 3. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Radius of circle increasing, so it is given dr by dt. It is 3 centimeter per second. It is 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of circle increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. Here we have to find rate at which area of circle increasing, means you have to find dA by dt when radius is 10 centimeter. And radius is 10 centimeter. So area of circle, is pi r square. A is equals to pi r square. When we differentiate with respect to time, so dA by dt, pi as it is, differentiation of r square is 2r, and by chain rule, differentiation of r with respect to t is dr by dt. Your value of r, that is 10. Your value of also dr by dt, that is 3. So dA by dt when r is equals to 10 is 10 into 223 is 60 pi, and unit is centimeter square per second. Centimeter square per second. So comparatively easy question. Question number 4 is in homework, similar to question number 2. In question number 2, rate of change of volume is given and we have to find the rate of change of area. In question number 4, rate of change of area is given, you have to find rate of change of volume, so that you can do easily. So question number 4 is in the homework. Question number 5. A stone is dropped into a lake and waves move in the circle at the speed of 5 cm per second. At the instant when the radius of circular wave is 8 cm, how fast the enclosed area is increasing? So here given dr by dt, waves move in circle at the speed of 5 cm per second. Okay, it is also easy, that can be done easily. Question number 5 you can do. Question number 6. Radius of circle increasing, what is the rate of increasing of circumference? It is also is circumference is equals to 2 pi r, differentiate with respect to time, so 2 pi dr by dt. Put the value, you will get the answer. Next, the length of x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of this, and the width y increasing at the rate of this. Okay, question number 7. It is for rectangle. For rectangle. Now here length x, so here length is x for rectangle, length is x, width is y. Length is x and width is y. Now what is given? The length x of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of this. When it is said decreasing, means you have to put minus sign. Okay, so here dx by dt is equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute. 5 centimeter per minute. Now, in the width y increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute, means y is increasing, so it is plus 4 centimeter per minute. When x is 8 and y is 6, find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. So first we have to find rate of change of perimeter. So perimeter for rectangle is, it is 2 into bracket x plus 5, that is the perimeter of rectangle. Now we have to find rate of change, so that is dp by dt, differentiate with respect to time. To constant, differentiation of x with respect to time is dx by dt, differentiation of y with respect to time is dy by dt. 2 as it is, value of dx by dt is minus 5, value of dy by dt is plus 4. 4 minus 5 is minus 1, so that is minus 2 centimeter per minute. So your answer is perimeter of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Minus sign indicates it is decreasing. So we write that it is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Decreasing lagho pachi minus nahi lakhwanu. Minus indicates that it is decreasing. Second, you have to find rate of change of area. Rate of change of area. So area of rectangle is x into y. Area of rectangle is x into y. So when we differentiate with respect to time, so that is dA by dt. Here there are two variables in multiplication, so you have to use product rule here. So product rule is first quantity as it is, differentiation of second quantity with respect to t, because here we differentiate with respect to time. So x is this, y differentiation of y is dy by dt, then y as it is differentiation of x is dx by dt. Okay, in the question it is given when x is 8 and y is 6. When x is 8 and y is 6. Unit are in centimeter and here is also in centimeter. So there is no problem in this. So x is 8, dy by dt is 4, y is 6, dx by dt is minus 5. So that is 32 minus 30. So that is equals to 2 centimeter square per minute. Here that is plus 2 centimeter square plus minute, means rate of change of area is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square plus minute. Last answer is in this form. Okay, next question. Question number 8. A balloon which always spherically, means here we have to consider sphere. Spherical balloon means it is sphere. Spherical balloon. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Balloon માં હું 900 cubic centimeter per second થી air inflate કરું છું, means volume of balloon will be increasing. balloon ની જે volume છે increase થશે, તમે air push up કરશો, air inflate કરશો, so volume of balloon will be increasing. Okay, so here given 900 cubic centimeter per second. So that is dV by dt, 900 centimeter cube per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increasing when the radius is 15. Means we have to find dr by dt when r is equals to 15. dV by dt is given, dr by dt we have to find. Now volume of spherical balloon, V, volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now here we have to differentiate with respect to time, rate of change. So we have to differentiate with respect to time. So dV by dt, 4 by 3 pi constant. Differentiation of r cube with respect to t. So first differentiation of r cube is 3r square. By chain rule, differentiation of r with respect to time is dr by dt. So dV by dt is 900. dV by dt is 900. Unit is same. Okay, r is equals to also in centimeter. So 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square is 15 square dr by dt. 3 cancel. So if we make a subject to dr by dt, so dr by dt is equals to 900 divided by 4 into pi. 15 square means 15 into 15. Okay, so 15, here it will be 60. 15 4s are 60. Okay, so that is 1 upon pi centimeter per second. 1 upon pi centimeter per second. Next question, question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. The bottom of ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? Okay. So here first we make a diagram. That is your ladder. That is your ladder, and length of ladder is 5 meter. Means L is equals to 5, which is constant. L is always constant. બરાબર, લેડર ની હાઈટ ચેન્જ નહીં થાય. હવે તમને શું કહે છે કે when you pulled from the down side against the wall, means આનો આ સાઈડ લઈ જાઓ અહીંથી, આ જે that is the four end points of ladder A and B. Okay, when I pulled away this ladder against the wall, so this end, આ જે end છે ઈ વોલ ઉપર નીચે આવશે. ઓકે, that length is y and that length is x. તો જ્યારે હું x આ સાઈડ લઈ જઈશ મીન્સ x વધશે ત્યારે y છે ઈ નીચે આવશે મીન્સ y ની વેલ્યુ ઘટશે. હાલો ક્લિયર. સેકન્ડ, વોલ હોય, કોઈ પણ વોલ હોય તો અહીંયા 90 ડિગ્રી નો એંગલ બને, so that is 90 degree. So here I can write that point is O. In triangle OAB, x square plus y square is equals to L square. X square plus y square is equals to L square. In last, it is given that when ladder is 4 meter away from the wall, when ladder is 4 meter means value of x is 4 and length of ladder is 5. So we get y is equals to 3 meter. Y is equals to 3 meter. Now another thing is given is 2 centimeter per second means dx by dt. Dx by dt is 2 centimeter per second. So here L is in meter, x is also in meter and y is also in meter. So that is 2 centimeter in second. We will convert into the meter per second. So that is 0.02 meter per second. Centimeter no meter ma convert karu. So that is 0.02 meter per second. Again we will use this equation Pythagoras, that is x square plus y square is equals to L square. Now we have to find dy by dt and dx by dt is given. We have to find dy by dt. So we differentiate this equation with respect to time, differentiating this equation on both the side with respect to t. So differentiation of x square is 2x by chain rule. Again you have to differentiate with time. So dx by dt. Differentiation of y square 2y dy by dt. Differentiation of L square is 0 because L is constant. L is equals to 5. It is constant. બરાબર, લેડર ની લેન્થ ચેન્જ ન થાય, લેડર હોય એવડી ને એવડી રહે. So it is constant. So differentiation of constant term is 0. So 2 common લઈને cancel. So that is x dx by dt plus y dy by dt is equals to 0. Value of x is 4. Value of x is 4. It is given into the question 4 meter. X is 4. Dx by dt is 0.02. Y is 3. Value of dy by dt we have to find. So I can write 3 dy by dt is equals to 4 into minus 4 into 0.02 is 0.08. Same is to minus 0.08. So dy by dt is equals to minus 0.08 by 3 meter per second. So I can write it is 8 by 3 centimeter per second minus. Minus શું represent કરે છે કે value of y will be decreasing. Height છે decrease થશે. So that is minus. So dy by dt is minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Clear? Okay. In next lecture we will start with the question number 11 and complete the exercise. In this lecture we will keep till the question number 10. Question number 9, that is not a 8. Sorry. 9 વચ્ચે રહી ગયો. Okay. 9 is similar to 8. 9 is in homework. So 4 questions you have to do in homework. 4, 5, 6, 9 and example number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Example 1, 2, 3, 4 and exercise માંથી 4, 5, 6 and 9. Homework. Okay? Chalo. Thank you.